So what you can also do is you can take a screenshot of the web page that you want easily as well by using Microsoft Edge. So to do that, let me just go around onto Microsoft Windows, let's say for example, and go to this particular page. And let's say I want to take a screenshot of this. So in that case, you can click on the three dot button right here. And then what you have is you can see that screenshot is an option. So if I were to click on this, then you can see that I can go around and capture a certain area. Like let's say for example, click and drag this out. Then what happens is that I can go around and then I can copy this or markup capture right here or do a visual search for that particular area. Let me just go around onto markup capture and then it opens up the screenshot area and you can go around and mark it out right here and share it or save it out right here. So let me just go around and save it, and you can see that this is what you have over here. This is the screenshot. Let me just go around and close this around. So apart from that, you can also go around over here and take a screenshot, let's say for example, of the full page as well, and then you can go around and mark it up as well. So you can see that the entire page is actually screenshotted right here onto the image. So I can go around over here and save it out right here. And if I were to open this up, then you can see the entire web page is actually a screenshot right here, just like this. And this is what you have. And this is how you can go around and take screenshot of web pages inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.